hiccups, buddy. Me too. He's sitting with Daddy and he got the hiccups. You can't really tell. There it is. There's your hiccup. Hey, hiccup. How excited of me, hiccup.
Yeah, sweet.
Me too.